Okay, we are going to check out Analyze. We have 8 different things we have to check out. The first one is analyze the coordinates of point 1. Well, first let's find point 1. It's right there. Okay, now one thing we need to check out is that when we get close, it selects the line and everything else around it. So we need to only select the point. So if we come up here to our little ribbon bar and we click on only, and then we can click on point, and then 3D star, say OK. Now when you get close, it'll only select the point. Okay, so now we go Analyze, Entity Properties. Now I have to go select the only point again because I clicked off and stopped it. But now when I get close, we click. Alright, and it gives us the coordinates of that point. So, and you can either type them on the screen or write them on a paper. It doesn't really matter. Okay, the next thing it says is analyze the radius of R1. Now, I'm going to first go up here and uncheck the select only that I had. Okay, so analyze radius 1. Where is radius 1? Radius 1 is right there. So if I go analyze entity, click on it, there we go. It is a 0.85 radius. I just gave away the answer. That's okay. Right now it says analyze and modify the diameter D1 to 1.5 inches. Well, where is D1? D1 is the middle. So analyze entity, click on that circle, and modify the diameter to 1.5. Well, guess what? It already is 1.5, so let's change it down to 1 inch. And look, it shrunk. Perfect. Alright, so now the distance between L4 and L3, but this one we can go analyze distance. So it says select point or curve. We can select that line over to that line, and its distance is right here. There's the 3D distance and the 2D distance. Now this drawing is in 2D, so they're going to match. If we had them on different levels or different layers, to where maybe one of them was on x equals 0 or z equals 0 and one of them was on z equals 3, the 2D may look right, but the 3D would be from the bottom to the top. It add a little extra distance. So analyze the distance between the center points of circles C1 and C2. So analyze distance C1. So where's the center? Now because we have our auto cursor is on our center, we can actually do this. So between center C1 and C2 is 3 inches. Once again, I gave away the answer. Analyze the length of L1 and L2. So there's where is L2? There's L1 and L2. So analyze entity. Oh, we've got 2 different lines there, one on top of the other, I think. Yep, we have 2 separate ones, so we're going to have to analyze distance on these. So we come here to here. Okay, there's our value. And then analyze distance from here to here. Okay, that's not too bad. Now it says analyze angle L3. Okay, so analyze, we can actually do analyze angle. And that one's not really going to work. Let's just go analyze entity and see what it shows us. Well, look at there. We can just analyze the entity and it gives us the angle. Perfect. So analyze the red contour and establish the total length, and that's this outside. Now here we have to do it a little differently. We go analyze a contour, since there's a whole bunch of different parts. And we can chain it. Say OK. Analyze contour, left, 2D. OK, and it gives you a whole bunch of information. The start points, the end points, all this stuff. But at the very bottom, it gives you the length. And that's it with Analyze.